Good afternoon, bore da, pnawn da. I'm here in the Moelwyns, Tanagrissiau to be exact. Plan is to walk up through Cwmorthin Quarry and do my first solo winter wild camp. The weather's been pretty harsh this last few weeks, so I'm going to give it a go and see how far I get. There's a spot above the old quarry that I clocked when I was walking here last year, so I want to give it a go. But forecast is favourable, so we'll see how it goes. See you in a bit. The lake looks frozen from here. So there's Connect. All the old barracks. I'm heading up that way onto the next level. Should get a bit of a view out to sea from there. Right. It's very haunting around here. Very Game of Thrones type scenery. I do know that they filmed some major films around here. Tomb Raider, King Arthur as well, the one with Charlie Hunnam. Anyway, I'm going up there. Another lake, frozen solid, or pond. So there's Moelwyn Mower. That's where I've just walked up. I'm only taking me time today. I'm not rushing it. There's too much snow. I'm trying to power walk up. So I want to head up that way towards the mountain, but not quite as high as the mountain. There's a place that I clocked. There's connect there. Place I clocked, like I said earlier, I want to have a go at wild camping in. So we'll give it a go. How deep the snow is here now. I need to head up there on that level. How deep them are. Oh well, the things we do for fun. So I found my humble abode for the night. Get the tent pitched. I'm just going to do it straight away, get it up, and then I can relax. There's a few people dotted about these mountains, not many. Might have to have a rethink here. Can't get the bloody pegs in the ground. I'll go up that way and find a pitch up there. I'll see. I'll have another go here. See what I can do. I'm gonna pitch on here, and between Moelwyn Mower and I forget what that one's called. A bit of a flat spot here. Stick it on here. Too right. Cracking view across Snowdonia to the south. Rinogs, Renigs. Awesome. Right, let's get it pitched. Well, hello. I've had something warm to drink. I'm not fond of this. It's too small. Too small of a tent for me. I like to be able to sit up. But we'll see how it goes through the night. Sun's setting a bit now. Still quite light for 4:45. I'll just put some warm layers on. But look at that sky. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Be alright as a backpacking tent if you're doing multi-days and you're carrying light, but it's not for me, this one. Give it one adventure and then I'll give it away. Because there's a bit of a story behind it. When I went to Cwmorthin the other week, between Christmas and New Year, it was there and it was a letter saying it was free to use. I thought I'll give it a whirl. So I used to have the 200 and that was a lot bigger, more spacious. This is just too small for me. I like to be able to sit up in a tent, but I've given it the adventure, and yeah, be given away to somebody to use. Right, bring you back in a bit.